What should I do if Hulu is not showing English as an option in language settings?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an issue that can be quite confusing when Hulu doesn't show English as an option in your language settings. Although this is quite rare, it can still happen. Don't worry, we've got you covered. This guide will show you what to do when English is not appearing in your Hulu language settings.
What causes the issue?
Before we get to the solution, it's important to understand why this might be happening. The main reason could be a glitch in the application or a misconfiguration in your device's settings.
Clearing the cache and cookies.
The first step in troubleshooting this issue is to clear the cache and cookies of your Hulu application. This is because accumulated cache might be the reason behind the language issue you're experiencing. Here's how you can do that. If you're on mobile, you can generally clear cache by going into your device settings, finding the Hulu app in the list of installed apps, and then selecting the option to clear cache or data. On a browser, the process will depend on the specific browser you're using. Most of the time, you can clear cache by going into your browser settings, finding the privacy or history section, and selecting the option to clear browsing data. Remember to restart the Hulu application after doing this.
Checking the device language settings.
Another thing to check is your device's language settings. If your device's language settings are set to a language other than English, Hulu might not show English as an option. To fix this, you need to go to your device's settings. Find the language and input option. Change the language to English. After doing this, restart your device and then open Hulu again to check if English is now an option.
Reinstalling the Hulu application.
If clearing the cache and cookies and checking your device's language settings didn't work, then you may need to reinstall the Hulu application. This is a simple process. First, uninstall the Hulu app from your device. Once the app is fully uninstalled, reinstall it from your device's app store. This process will ensure that you have the most updated version of the app and that any issues with the app's installation are resolved. If you've followed all these steps and you're still experiencing issues, it's a good idea to contact Hulu's customer support. They'll be able to help you troubleshoot further and resolve the issue. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming!